Hi, this is Chef Pops. Today I'm going to make tzatziki sauce for you. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For the full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video. To start the recipe, I'm going to peel about 4 inches of English cucumber. Next, I'll be grating the cucumber. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix it. And we'll let it rest for about 10 minutes. Next, in a separate bowl, we'll put half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of mint, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to grate it. Half a piece of small dill pickle. And mix this well. Now we'll add 2 cups of Greek yogurt. And mix it well. I'm blending all the taste in it. I'll keep this aside. I'm going to put this towel in the bowl here. Put the cucumber in it. And squeeze all the water out of it. The wine, salt, water, whatever, we can take it out from here. It comes out. We have to make it as dry as we can. So squeeze it out nice. This looks pretty good. I'll bring the yogurt back and I'm going to put cucumber inside. And again mix it well. All these things combined gives you best taste of tzatziki sauce. The mix is now ready. Now we'll cover it up and put it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Once this is all settled, after 2 or 3 hours it will taste beautiful. It's 3 hours now and we have taken it out of the fridge and it's ready to eat. This is our finished tzatziki sauce. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all your friends. Until next time.